Hi guys, it is July 5th, 2025. William here, and this is the second vlog of the day. I got a little lonely, so I decided to do another vlog. Well, I did my laundry today, and I cooked up some sweet potatoes for supper. It's about 5:45 right now. I made some sweet potatoes. You cook them at 400 for 45 minutes. 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And you drizzle oil on them, and you take a fork and you poke holes in them for the steam to get out. They are very good. I enjoyed them. I'm going to show you the antipsychotic I'm on. It's called Flupentixol Decanoa. Flupentixol Decanoa. It's a couple vials of liquid, and they inject 1.1 milligrams in there, or 1.1 milliliters. That's the antipsychotic I'm on. I get that once every 2 weeks. So this Wednesday I get my injection again, and there's no one to drive me, so hopefully Kaylee will drive me. I'm hoping either that or I'll take a taxi. What's it called? Support services group will pay for the taxi, and I'll get my injection. Oh, it looks like we have a bird. Red-winged blackbird. And see, the little one wants him to feed him. That's why he has his mouth open. Oh, he's eating on its own. I don't know if that's a baby or if it's a female. See how its mouth is open? Kind of neat behavior. They flutter their wings when the male's around. Let's see if he feeds them. No, it doesn't look like he's gonna feed them. So it's a neat behavior to watch. Whoa, very loud bird. There they go. So thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters, and thanks for watching the vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog.